Fear is powerful, not because it's real, because it feels real. From a young age, you're taught what to be afraid of: failing, falling, being judged, being different, being alone. So you learn to stay small. You avoid risks. You avoid discomfort. You avoid standing out. Not because you're weak, because fear was installed early and reinforced daily by headlines, by social media, by other people's opinions. Fear keeps you obedient, predictable, easy to manage. Most people think they're being careful. They're being controlled. The truth is, nothing meaningful changes until you're willing to feel uncomfortable. Growth requires uncertainty. Freedom requires courage. And courage isn't confidence. It's movement while your mind is screaming, "Stop." It's choosing action when fear begs you to stay small. That's sovereignty.